Hello and welcome to Easy Fractions Lesson 5, Identification and Substitution. The objective for this lesson is to illustrate different fractions concretely still, and then you need to create mastery self video on both identification and substitution of fractions. Now after that you need to answer independently activity pages on the worksheets. For the materials, you will still be using the same kit, but this time you need to use pencil. Alright, for the worksheets, you need to pay attention to these pages 55, 60, 61, 62, and 64. And the rest of it will all be drills for your familiarization or mastery of fractions. Okay, so here's what you need to do. After watching the LIV or lesson instruction video, which will be right after the hands-on slide, you need to solve fractions drill on pages 55, 61, 62, 64, 67 to 69 of your worksheets using your hands-on fractions kit. Then answer independently all items in the activity. Alright, for your hands-on time, activity 5A, fractions identification. What you need to do is do a self video while you point and identify all fractions on page 69. There are shaded parts there, and the ones that you will be counting will be the shaded ones. And then you need to submit to Dojo. For activity 5B, worksheets time, answer the activity pages 55, 61 to 62, 64, 67 to 69. This is a lot of activity sheets, and you're not required to finish it in one day. So take your time and then take pictures of each page and submit to Dojo. So let's explore how to solve page 55 drill. Now this is the example that you will find on page 55. Now, if you set that up sa inyong DIY na template, it will look like this. So there's the red rod below, and the equivalent of one red rod kay duha ka white rods. So that's the one that you will see. Now the instruction says use the rods and grid paper to identify the shaded fractions. So ang gipangita ron nato karon is ang tanan nga nasa ibabaw nga ang color is gray. So kung dili gani siya gray, dili siya apil sa ihap. So in this case, ang shaded part is only 1. So therefore, ang ato orang i-count is katunay gray part. After that, ato na dayong isulat unsay value de sa red rod. So this one is 2, so you write the number 2 on the white circle or oval. And then, ihapon na dayon nato pila day ang naay gray nga rod sa ibabaw. So when you identify that one, imo na din siyang isuwat sa above the line sa pikas, which is here we have one shaded part, so 1 ra pud isuwat. And then you write the number 2 below kay mao may value sa atong colored rod. Now, anything a number or any fraction nga ang ubos is 2, tawag nimo ana is half. So this one is 1/2. So let me present to you the fractions nga naa dito sa imong page 55. So all the colored rods are below and they have their own value, of which kinahanglan nimong isulatan ng white na circle. You have to do that first. And then when you're done, adto na ka sa ibabaw, ihapon nimo pila ang naay gray. Kung walay gray gani nga color, ayaw i-appeal sa pag-ihap. You only count the ones that are colored gray. Now, say for example, if isa lang ang naay gray, then you write the number 1 above the line. If it is 2 ang naay shade, then you write 2 and so on and so forth. Alright? So, let us now recap ang mga steps. Step 1, identify the lower rod. And then, you write the number sa white na circle. Then, you identify the upper rod by counting the shaded parts only. Ayaw gyud at pila ang white. And then, the third part is you write the fraction, which means you write first the one on top, kana na ay gray, ng mga shaded parts. Then you write the one ang value sa colored na rod. All right, I know you can do this. So go on, answer page 55 and the rest of the activity sheets.